crypto airdrop is a marketing strategy adopted by crypto startups to promote the project and their new token. It involves distributing their native cryptocurrency to current or potential users for free. Sometimes, users have to complete simple promotional activities before they can claim, such as following the project's social media account and sharing their post. Before watching the full video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications. There are different types of airdrops, and each crypto project has its own requirements. But most airdrops share the same goal: increase awareness and overall interest in the project. Some are done directly into users' wallets, while others require a manual claim. Anyone with a cryptocurrency wallet can receive or claim an airdrop, but you should always be careful with scammers. There are many fraudulent airdrops that can steal your wallet funds when you claim or transfer the free tokens. Make sure to confirm the legitimacy of the project before claiming an airdrop. You should be particularly careful when it requires you to connect your wallet to an airdrop website. With the ever-growing number of new coins, it's difficult for crypto investors and traders to keep track of all the new projects. As such, some crypto projects offer airdrops as a way to stand out and increase awareness. While everyone loves free crypto, airdrops are not always legit. Let's see how they work and what you can do to protect yourself against airdrop scams. A crypto airdrop refers to the transfer of digital assets from a crypto project to multiple wallets. The idea is to distribute coins or tokens to current or potential users to increase awareness of the project. These tokens are given out for free, but some airdrops require users to perform certain tasks before claiming. Crypto airdrops became popular during the initial coin offering ICO boom of 2017, but are still used as a marketing strategy by many crypto projects today. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications about crypto-related videos.